What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to get bank statements on Commbank app. So basically make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, what are the bank statements and how to get them? So first question is, how do I get my bank statement from Commbank app? So basically you need to log on to Commbank app and then view accounts. After it guys, you need to choose an account, then on the next screen tap the account name and reveal your transaction history, then tap manage, tap view statement, then choose statement date, and then just basically tap share. So it's as easy as it gets. So basically guys, the really easy process: log on to NetBank, choose view accounts, then press statements, choose an account that and then also basically the statement period you want to check. You'll have the option to download the statement, email it to someone, or create a summary with an official letter confirming your transactions and details for a date range of your choice. Log off when finished. So basically that's for NetBank. The Commbank, as I told you, log on the Commbank app, then tap view accounts, choose an account, then on the next screen tap the account name to reveal your transaction history, tap manage, tap view statements, then choose statement date, and just basically tap share. So quite an easy way. If you're using ATMs with your Commbank cards, insert your card and cover your hand when entering PIN, choose mini statement, then tap for which account. So guys, basically quite an easy process. Hopefully this helped you a bit. Keep in mind that online statements are kept up for 7 years. Check them in NetBank, the Commbank app, or the Commbank ATM anytime. So if you close an account up to 2 years after successfully closing an account, you'll still be able to access up to 7 years of online bank statements. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the future ones. Goodbye.